Hello everyone, welcome back to another helpful tutorial. In today's video, I'll show you how to fix Telegram desktop not working on your PC. If Telegram is not opening, freezing, or responding properly, these simple steps can help. First, try closing Telegram completely. Press Ctrl plus Shift plus S to open Task Manager. Find Telegram in the list, select it, and click End Task. After that, open Telegram desktop again. If Telegram still isn't working, check your internet connection. Make sure your PC is connected to the internet and try opening a website in your browser. Next, open Telegram desktop, go to Settings, then Advanced, and check the connection type. Make sure the default connection option is selected. If the problem continues, restart your computer. A simple restart can often fix temporary software issues that prevent Telegram from working correctly. You can also open Windows Settings, go to Installed Apps, find Telegram Desktop, and check whether a repair option is available. Running the repair process can fix damaged application files. After completing these steps, open Telegram Desktop again and check whether the problem has been resolved. That's how you can fix Telegram Desktop not working on your PC. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more Telegram desktop tips and troubleshooting guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.